What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm gonna talk about how to fix the Roblox closes instantly after launching in Windows 11. So this issue is happening for many of the users and we can address this issue and how we can fix this up. So let me directly get into this. So the first one, just go over here, search for the run command like this, and you have to click on this one and you have to type %local app data % and go for OK. And if you find the Roblox here, what we need to do is, if you find the Roblox, right click on the Roblox and directly go for delete and delete it. Once the Roblox is successfully deleted, what we need to do is we just need to take, it is going to say because it is open in another program. So what we need to do is I'm just going to go over here, and what I need to do, just go over here, search for the task manager over here and go to the task manager and make sure if the Roblox is running, we need to remove it. So if the Roblox is not here, you have to check it, or you can, as you can see, the Roblox is running in the background. Just go for end the task, and once the Roblox is successfully removed, you just need to go back over here in this particular file over here and go for the try again, and this time it will be deleted. Once it is deleted, you're fine with it and you have to move to the next step. Next step is all about, you have to search here for the disk cleanup over here. Directly click on this one, and right now you have to search which one is your disk. So we have many disks. Right now I'm gonna search for C and it's fine. And right now, as you can see, we're going to get these kind of things. So just click on the clean up system files, which is going to remove a few things like, the temporary recycle bin, thumbnails, DirectX internet cache, etc. It will be deleted. Just click on the clean up system file and just go for OK. And right now it is going to take a bit of time. So once it is done, just go for OK. And what you need to do is you just need to make sure one thing: if you want to delete it, you can delete it, but I'm going to skip this part. And once you just delete it, and once after delete is done, most probably you have to check. Next one is all about, what we need to do is we just need to go over here, search over here in the settings, just go for the settings over here and directly go for installed apps. And right now go for installed apps and search here for the Roblox. And this time search for the Roblox over here. And if you find the Roblox, what we need to do is we have two Roblox. One is for the Microsoft Store, another one we downloaded from the internet. So just go over here, click on three dot menu and go for uninstall it. One uninstall it and just download it back, and that's going to fix the issue up. So this is what you have to do, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye bye.